Hello everyone, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will talk about one of the most popular strategies of Forex trading. Many types of chart used in Forex trading such as line chart, bar chart and candlestick chart. Candlestick chart is one of the most popular strategy and most used. Many forex traders use this chart because it has some special features that help to know market's situation and future, which is not so much understood through other charts. This candlestick chart originated in Japan. The Japanese were first to use it. Earlier, we also gave a video about the candlestick pattern. In that video, we got a lot of response from you. So today we bought the second part just for you. If we get your support from this video, we will do third part on candlestick pattern. Here is Forex BD's another new channel. I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel. You will get awesome video from this channel. To understand today's video well, of course, those who have not seen the previous video on candlestick pattern must watch that video. Otherwise, it will be a bit difficult to understand today's video. Those who want to learn such important and best forex strategies can follow this playlist. Here you will find the best forex strategy. And before starting the video, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. The green candle you see here is called the bullish candle. The bullish candle starts from the bottom, so it's called opening. And this candle goes up and ends, so the last place is called closing. And the rest of the spots you can see here are called shadow. And the coloring side is real body. Again, the red candle you see is called bearish candle. The bearish candle starts from the top bottom, so it's called opening. And this candle goes down and ends, so the last place is called closing. Basically, by which candle market goes up is called bullish candle, and by which candle market goes down is called bearish candle. And the colorful part is called real body. You can make any color on the candle. We are using red and green color to show you. The 15 candles that you can see here, I must ask you to pause the video and watch it for at least 3 seconds or a minute. Here are the different type of candle that you will find useful. It's not possible to remember every candle, but by remembering some special candle, you can decide buy or sell. Abandon baby bullish. In a downtrend market, after a bearish candle, a doji is made below a gap, and if a bearish candle is made above the gap, then the doji candle is called abandoned baby bullish. This doji provides the uptrend reversal signal of the market. Abandoned baby bearish. In a uptrend market, after a bullish candle, many gap above, doji is made. Again, bearish candle is made below many gap. Then among these three candlestick, doji candlestick is called abandoned baby bullish. This doji provides the downtrend reversal signal of the market. However, one thing to keep in mind is that the shadow of these three candles should not overlap each other. Iceland reversal bullish. The Iceland reversal bullish pattern looks like abandoned baby bullish, but there are many differences between the two patterns. When one or more candle in a downtrend market deviate from the main trend line and go down, this isolated candle or bunch of candle is called Iceland bottom. This pattern provides a bullish reversal signal. Iceland reversal bearish. Iceland reversal bearish looks like abandoned baby bearish, but there are many differences between these two patterns. In an uptrend market, when one or more candle detect from the main trend line and move upward, this detect candle or bunch of candle is called Iceland top, and this pattern is called Iceland reversal. This pattern provides a bearish reversal signal. Spinning top bullish. If a candle price fluctuates a lot, but the value of both opening price and closing price is close to high and low, then that candlestick is called spinning top. Many times the spinning top is seen on the bottom of the downtrend market, and then it provides bullish reversal signal if there is any strong bullish candle after that. Spinning top bearish. Even if the price of a candle fluctuates a lot, if the value of both opening price and closing price is close to high and low, then the candlestick of that rate is called spinning top. spinning top can be bullish or bearish. Often it's seen at the top of the uptrend market. Then it gives a bullish reversal signal if there is a strong bearish candle after that. Dragonfly Doji bullish. Dragonfly Doji is made when the open, high and close of a candle became equal. Its main features is it has long lower shadow which can be used to reduce the price in the market with a lot of effort. During this time, the price rises again and catch opening. The Dragonfly Doji is usually found at the bottom of the downtrend market and then it provides the uptrend reversal signal. Dragonfly Doji bearish is as like as Dragonfly Doji bullish. Dragonfly Doji is usually found on the top of the uptrend market and it gives downtrend reversal signal. Homing pigeon. After a strong bearish candle in a downtrend market, if again there is a bearish candle whose body remains within the range of the previous body, then this combination is called homing pigeon. This pattern provides a bullish reversal signal of the market, but the next candle must be a strong bullish to be sure. Descending hook. After a strong bullish candle in an uptrend market, if again there is a bullish candle whose body remains within the range of the previous body, then this combination is called descending hook. This pattern provides a bearish reversal signal of the market, but the next candle must be a strong bearish to be sure. Now you may have tired to see the candle. You may be wondering how to remember so many patterns. Yes, it's not easy to remember so many patterns. What to do then? For this, you must watch this video again and again, because once you see it, you may not be able to remember it easily. Watch the video carefully a few minutes. Understand and then practice. Each candle has a shape. Do you take a trade as soon as each candle is made? No, never. Once a pattern is created, check support, resistance or trend. If candles are in support or resistance, then you can trade. You can see on the screen that the market has formed a candlestick pattern and it's in a resistance. You can safely take order from such a placement. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is FOREX, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please share it and give us a like. It motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. And if you have any request, write down in comment box. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.